Hello everyone, welcome to Quantify as your favorite cat club channel. I hope that your preparation is going great. And I get a lot of doubts specifically for DILR. I hope that you are doing the 200 sets DILR playlist that we have on our channel. All right, that is more than sufficient for all your doubts. Right, I hope you are doing the daily sets and doing the daily thing that are shared on our Telegram and Facebook group. So if you want to receive all these updates in your WhatsApp, you can just fill the form in the description, right? Now, for today, we have this very interesting set on Venn diagram optimization. All right. So I hope that you have watched the video of chocolate distribution that we have on the channel. If you have seen that, please just pause this and try this right now. And if you haven't, then you must see that in order to get the knack of this question, right? It will be a very, very easy cakewalk for you. Now let's understand that what is in the question and how should we approach it. It says, in IFMA exam, there were 1,000 students who appeared for the exam. So the number of people are 1,000. All right. Out of those, 520 cleared the cutoff for verbal. So for verbal, there are 520. 660 for quant. For quant, there was 660. For GK, for reasoning, GK was 450 and reasoning was 600. Okay, so this is the parameter. Okay. Now, these are the items which have to be distributed among these 1,000 people, right? I hope you are able to relate that. What do I mean by items or likings or chocolates? So these are the total items, right? Total likings, which are how many? 0, 6, 5, 11 into 13, 6, 12, 16, 22. So a total of 2230 items are to be distributed among these 1,000 people. All right. Now each person can have one, each person can have two, each and some can have three or four, any manner, depending upon the constraints. It is given to me that every student has cleared at least one cutoff. So all these 1,000 people are already having one cutoff clear. So basically 1,000 likings or 1,000 cutoffs are distributed. Right. So out of 2230, 1,000 are done. So the remaining are 1230. कितने कट ऑफ बचे हैं हमारे पास? Okay. Now let's read the question. Right now, let us consider them in this way that there is roll number 1 to 1,000, right? And each person is right now having one cutoff clear. So a number of cutoffs that can be clear are 1, 2, 3 and 4. ये चार तरह की cutoffs clear हो सकती है, या किसी की एक cutoff clear होगी, या दो या तीन या चार. Zero नहीं हो सकती. It cannot be zero because they are telling us that every student has cleared at least one cutoff, so it cannot be zero. All right. Now all of them is having 1, 1, 1 right now. Also remember this, that all of them are having 1, 1, 1 right now. So basically 1,000 is distributed and 1,230 is left. 1,000 is distributed and 1,230 is left. Now, as a aspirant, before I proceed in the question, think of it this way, that either I can give one more to make the total 2, or I can give two more to make the total 3, or I can give three more to make the total 4. अब मैं बचे हुए बच्चों जो बची हुई लाइकिंग्स हैं, या तो मैं एक एक और दूंगा, या दो दो दूंगा, या तीन तीन दूंगा. इससे ज्यादा तो दे नहीं सकता, राइट? Now what are they asking us? What is the maximum number of students who cleared the cutoff for all the section? I have to maximize 4. I have to maximize the number of people who like all the 4 items. Now, if I want to maximize the people with all the 4 items, right now they have 1, 1 each. And I want to maximize the 4, which means I would want to give everyone 3, 3 more. अब मैं सबको 3, 3 और देना चाहूंगा ताकि मैं सबको 4, 4 कर सकूं, जितने ज्यादा हो सके. अगर 2, 2 दूंगा किसी को 3, 3 दूंगा, तो किसी के पास 3 होगा, किसी के पास 4 होगा. But since I want to make everyone 4, so I will give 3 each. So 1, 2, 3, 0. If I will give 3, 3 each, why 1, 2, 3, 0? Because out of 2, 2, 3, 0, 1,000 is distributed. For 1, 2, 3, 0, the total number is 410. So what I can make out that there will be 410 people with a total of 4 cleared cutoff. That is 1640. And then 1,000 minus 410, 590 people will be there with only one cutoffs. right? So the total will be 2230 to these 1000 people. Now this also gives me the answer for the question that how many people can be, what is the maximum number of people who can have only one sectional cutoff clear. अब देखो first answer आया 410 and what इसका answer आएगा 590. Why? Because if you see, if you want the people to have only one item, अगर आप चाहते हो कि सबके पास सिर्फ एक से एक आइटम ही रहे, तो भी तो आप यही चाहोगे ना, इधर बचे हुए आइटम जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म हो जाएं, right? If you want that each one here should have only one items, so I would want to distribute the remaining items as soon as possible in as little people as possible. And if I want to distribute some items to little people as possible, I would want to give them as maximum as I can. So एक ही बार में I have answered these two questions. The first is 410, the third is 590. All right. Now let's think ahead. What can be the minimum number of students who clear the cutoff of all the four sections? Now I do not want to give 4 to anyone. अब मैं किसी को भी 4 नहीं देना चाहता, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, 3 दे देता हूँ सबको. लेट्स सी कि मैं 3 कितने लोगों को दे सकता हूँ. ऑलराइट, 4 नहीं देने ना, 3 तो दे सकते हैं. राइट नाउ सबके पास एक है. राइट नाउ एवरीवन इज हैविंग 1 एंड आई वांट टू मेक इट 3, व्हिच मींस आई कैन गिव 2 मोर. So 2230 divided by or sorry 1230, right? Because 1000 is already done. 1230 divided by 2. It turns out to be 615. Now what does that mean? That 615 people who were initially having only one, 615 लोग जिनके पास initially सिर्फ 1 था, अब उनके पास 3 हो गए हैं. Now they have 3. So the total is 1845. And the remaining people, 385 people out of 1000 have only one. So this again makes 2230, the totality. All right, here be 2230. Now this again clears our doubt in this. I hope that this is clear to you all. Now which means I do not, it is not necessary for anyone to have 4 items. किसी को भी जरूरी नहीं है कि 4 items मिले, हम 3 देके भी खत्म कर सकते हैं. All right, so this is also answered. What can be the minimum number of students who cleared the section of only one? One वालों को minimize करना है. What can be the minimum number of people who cleared the cutoff of only one section? See, right now what you have done, right now you have distributed 1 items to everyone, and right now you are left with 1230. So if I distribute 1 more to every person, so can I say there will be 1000 people with 2 items each, and still I have to distribute 230 more, जो मैं किसी भी तरीके से लोगों को दे सकता हूँ, एक और या 2 और, right? Which means again it is not compulsory for me to leave the people with only one liking, right? One of the possible arrangements could be कि मैंने, अब देखो जब मैंने एक बार ये कर दिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई गेव एवरीवन 1 चॉकलेट. सबसे पहले मैंने सबको एक एक चॉकलेट दी. 2230 में से 1000 चलेगी, 1230 रहेगी. फिर मैं दोबारा से 1000 चॉकलेट्स दे दी, 2000 चलेगी, बची कितनी मेरे पास 230. आई एम लेफ्ट विद 230 आइटम्स. These 230 items are again given to 230 people. Right now, so 230 people have 3 items. Right, 231 to 231 to 1000. All the remaining people are having 2 chocolates. So this also suffices our answer. All right. तो इससे भी आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. Right. This will also give you the right answer. So answer to this is 0. I do not need any person to have more than this cutoff. Now the last says, if IFMA calls those students who have cleared the cutoff for verbal and quant. Now they are calling the students who have cut off for verbal and quant. What can be the possible number? Now there are 4 values, but there has to be only one possible value. So let us see what one that can be. So we are talking about what? We are talking about verbal and quant. So for verbal and for quant, for verbal, how many people are there? For verbal, the number of people are 520, and for quant, they are 660. Now think of it this way. What is the maximum element that you can keep common? अब 520 अगर verbal ने करी है और 660 अगर quant ने करी है, तो maximum common तो मैं 520 ही रख सकता हूँ ना. I cannot keep any more than that common. यानी if I will keep 520, this will be 0, this will be 140. Which means in this case 520 people have cleared the cutoff for both. So what this also means that 540 cannot be the answer. अब 540 को आंसर हो ही नहीं सकता, ठीक है? Now if I keep it x in order to find the minimum value, अगर मुझे minimize करना हो, this will be 520 minus x, this will be 660 minus x. अब total तो हम 1000 लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about a set of 1000 people, out of which verbal are 520 and quant are 660. Now if the mutual is x, only verbal is 520 minus x, only quant is 660 minus x. Now if I add them up, 520 minus x plus the common one x plus 660 minus x, and all this is equivalent to the total number of people that are 1000. So this gives me that x is equal to 1180 minus 1000, 180, which means there has to be a minimum of 180 people here. There have to be a minimum of 180 people here and a maximum of 520. So any number between 180 and 520 can come here. So 170 goes out of the window, 130 goes out of the window. The only possible answer will be 500. So this completes my set. I hope it is clear to all of you guys. Right? If you like the explanation, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.